Okay, we'll try this again. Let's just assume we don't have a pocket knife to make these nice cuts for the figure 4, so that we can get everything put together and have a nice trap here, you know, ready to go like that. Really simple, where you're cutting all the notches in this thing. And so instead of having that stick and that stick, all we need to do is find an upright, and we can make the upright with the rock by simply cutting the notch that we need like that, and then squaring up the side here like that, and like that. That actually looks pretty darn good now. Almost looks like sandpaper did it. Now what we can do is take a green stick, pull off all these extra leaves and stuff that we don't really need, and we can come up here and we decide that we want to put it about right there, so we can come down on something and cut our notch into it just like that. We'll do it with the rock here so it's a little more authentic. You usually don't have a steel pipe out in the wilderness. Actually, the rock works much better anyway. Okay, so we've got that angle ground into it. Almost works better than a knife. Now what we're going to do is take that and estimate. We're not going to cut it here, we're just going to break it. And so I'm going to guess that I need to break it about right here. So I'll take that, break it so it comes back. Now this is the other part of my figure 4, so you can see where it's going, where I'm going with this. This will actually be there, like that, and then this will come back. Don't cut that completely through, we just won't worry about cutting it. And then we'll come back here, to maybe here, and we'll break that off. Now all we have to worry about to make this trap work is to simply line that up and then figure out approximately where we want the other notch. And I think about right there is going to work, so I'm going to mark it with my fingernail, and then I'll pull up the rock again. Notch that thing like that. We'll see if it's close. And right there, that should work. Now, don't worry that notch over there. Let me see if I can set this thing. So you can see that it actually does hold up weight. Obviously this isn't as nice, but it's worked. I've actually caught little critters doing it this way before. There we go, right there. So it works just fine. You can come in here, break this stick to wherever you want to, and then do it just like we talked about before. And I'll go ahead and see if I can trigger this with my finger, and you'll see how it works. So no problems.